Republic Day ride 2026. First pit stop at Transport Nagar. This is the rider Gautam, young dashing rider Gautam. Happy Republic Day, Gautam. So here are the riders, and this is the first pit stop at Transport Nagar. First pit stop at Transport Nagar, and all the riders are. Hello sir.
नवल जी
आ रहे बिल्कुल पहचान गए. The civil servant Naval ji from Kumbhalgarh. So first pit stop at Transport Nagar, and you can see the enthusiasm of riders here. Hello sir, happy Republic Day. So all the riders are assembled here. First pit stop at Transport Nagar. हेलो अंजलि जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मुझे लगा
यो
मैं यहाँ भी गाय दूंगा.
So first pit stop here at Transport Nagar, and riders in full form. Okay. अच्छी दवाई है. चलिए. So we are in Transport Nagar, and all the riders have assembled here. Republic Day ride organized by Royal Enfield in Jaipur, and you can see the happy faces of the riders here. I will show you all the riders here, and good response here from Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield. Happy Republic Day. Good response from all the riders here. You can see a lot of tricolors here. Happy Republic Day. Republic Day 2026 ride. Today is 26th January 2026, and we are participating in the Republic Day ride here in Jaipur. Republic Day ride here in Jaipur, and this seems to be quite a big line here. Republic Day ride here in Jaipur. Happy Republic Day. This is गबरू जी तपेश, जो रॉयल एनफील्ड के प्रोग्राम्स ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं, और इनके साथ हमने यादगार कुंभलगढ़ की ट्रिप करी थी. अरे सर क्या बात है. मुजाहिद जी एंड मैडम मुजाहिद कैसे दिल्ली से आए. ये काफ़ी आपका ब्लॉग देखा था अभी रिसेंटली, अच्छा लगा. गोवा वाला वंडरफुल. हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे. Okay, so rides like this are always a good occasion to meet and greet new friends. Happy Republic Day. Line seems to be quite big. All the Royal Enfield bikes. Today we are expecting around 300 riders to participate in Republic Day 2026 ride, and the response is fantastic. All kinds of Royal Enfield bikes with tricolors on them. These bikes can be seen, and the response from the riders is absolutely fantastic. So the riders are having first pit stop here in Transport Nagar, and this is our team lead Amit ji. Amit ji Chauhan is a very experienced rider who has gone to Jammu and Kashmir to Leh, Ladakh so many times. Sir, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा सर आपका?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत
ओके सर, आई होप यू विल कीप ऑन इंस्पायरिंग अस. थैंक यू. So this is the documentation team, and you can see other riders also. So the response is fantastic. Royal Enfield is having Republic Day ride, and the participation is amazing. Close to 400 riders from different parts of Jaipur city are participating in the ride. So it is going to be an amazing experience. Republic Day ride organized by Royal Enfield. Again, Tapesh ji, senior rider. Good to see.